How's it going? This is Rich with Scosche 2019 Sema. We're here to showcase a few new items. Here we're showing the Jeep JL dash kit, first to market. It retains the factory 4K backup camera. Any radio that's 3.25 inch depth will fit. Also showing our ITC dash kit, integrates touchscreen AC controls, steering wheel controls are included. And the cool thing about this piece is there's an add-on relay pack that gives you switching. So you'll be able to add 8 auxiliary switches to this kit. Light bars, winches, fog lights, rock lights, anything that you want to add onto it, you can actually go through, pick the icons, and also name the icons whatever you'd like. The other item that we're showcasing here is going to be 2010 to 14 Camaro. It's their basic ITC, integrated touchscreen controls, steering wheel controls, everything you need for the installation in one kit, factory color match, texture match. Cool thing about this piece is we're actually added gauges to it. So you'll have engine temperature, oil temperature, transmission temperature, engine coolant, intake ambient, battery voltage, and then we're also doing a performance mode that does current, last, and best, 1/8, quarter mile, and you'll be able to save it up to 3 items, including acceleration and braking.